How does Zelle work from Bank of America? Zelle is a free and instant money transfer service which has its own application but is also incorporated into the applications of various banks in the United States. Today you will learn how to use Zelle from Bank of America mobile banking. This video will be short, straight to the point and very effective. We will guide you step by step to send money through Zelle if you are a Bank of America customer. Let's get started. You must first download the Bank of America application. Once downloaded and installed, you must open the mobile banking application. If you are a Bank of America customer, you must log in directly with the access data. But if you do not have this access data, contact the Bank of America customer service and they will provide you with the access data. Once you have logged into Bank of America mobile banking, you will see that down here you have different options. You have to press this option that says Transfer Zelle. If this is the first time you will use Zelle, you must create your account by registering your cell phone number or email, but do not worry, it is very easy, I will show you now. You have to press this option that says Transfer Zelle. Here you must choose the option that says Settings. This window will open. Here you have the contact information, which is you. Here it mentions that you have to add an email number or cell phone number from the United States. Click there and add the option that is most comfortable for you. Then, down here it says that we have to select the deposit account. That is, usually in the bank we have the savings or checking account. And here you must select which of the 2 or more accounts you have with the bank you want to associate with Zelle. Once everything is completed, press this button below to accept the terms and conditions. In the next section, we must enter the code that was sent to us either in the cell phone number or email that we have recently provided. We click on Continue. That's it, we've successfully created our Zelle account in Bank of America's mobile banking. It is very simple. How to send money for Zelle? Once you have logged into Bank of America mobile banking, you will see that down here you have different options. You have to press this option again that says Transfer Zelle. But now you have to press this button that says Send. The next window that will appear is to choose a recipient of the shipment. Here you have a search engine where you can write the name of the contact to which you want to send money through Zelle. Keep in mind that you need to have the person you want to send money registered in your contacts, since in this section of Zelle, we can practically see our list of contacts. Once you choose the contact you want to send money to, you will go to the next window where you must enter the amount you want to send. With these buttons you must write the amount and it will be reflected by this sector. Here again we can see the recipient that we had recently chosen in the previous section. It is important to do a good check to make sure we are sending money to the correct person. Once you finish entering the amount you will send, press this button that says Continue. Then you should check if everything is fine, and if everything is correct, press Send Money. This final screenshot informs us that the transfer via Zelle has been successful. How to receive money for Zelle? Receiving money through Zelle is very simple, you just have to provide your cell phone number in the United States or your email that you associated with Zelle. With that they can send you money, and the money received will be reflected in your Bank of America bank account. Important information about Zelle. Zelle should only be used to send money to friends, family, or others you trust. We recommend that you do not use Zelle to send money to people you do not know. If the recipient does not have a Zelle account and you have sent money to them, they have 14 days to sign up and receive money, or the transfer will be cancelled and the money returned to the originating account. Transactions generally occur in minutes when the recipient's email address or US mobile number is already enrolled in Zelle. Each time you make a transfer, Bank of America will send you an email alert with the transaction details after you send money using Zelle. Remember that Zelle does not belong to Bank of America, they only have an operating agreement, just like other banks such as Wells Fargo, Chase, among others. Which means that if you are a client of another bank that has an agreement with Zelle, you can also use the service to send money for free. In fact, in the upper right corner of your screen we leave you a video where we teach you how to send money through Zelle, being Wells Fargo customer. Wait a minute. If you are a Chase Bank customer, right now, in the upper right corner of your screen we leave you another video where we teach you how to use Zelle Chase. Attention, remember that Zelle, at the moment it can only be used within the United States. Has this information been useful for you? We only ask for your support with a like and subscribing to this channel called Send Money Now, where we constantly make videos teaching people the different ways to transfer money that exist in the world. Thanks a lot. And see you in the next video.